So to know further more in details, these kind of basic informations, you will have to understand on to various methods. Then try to go in understanding headers a little more deeper. We need to understand about the cookies and so on. This will help us to much more understand about the basics about the web application security. Now, how does the attackers reach us? As we are saying, attacker steps are something like this. Generally, they decide upon the target, then they gather a lot of information about the target. If you notice, see 90% of the attacker's time is generally spent on the gathering of information only. Very less time they put on attacking, because the more the information is gathered, the more they know about the server. They know the weaknesses of the server. They know how the server behaves at what time. At what time the network administrator is not there in the premises. These kind of social engineering information also helps the attackers to tune their attacks and perform the attack. So generally, when I gather information, these are all part of information gathering activities. They read newspaper articles and all. They try to understand which organization is using which technologies, or which organization is trying to showcase themselves as different things. Like as an example, if somebody says that we are the best cybersecurity organizations securing our environment and so on, there would be definitely hackers who would be interested to target such people who try to challenge. Similarly, if somebody is trying to say that I am conducting a big online exam and this would be a recording examination kind of a thing, even there are hackers who would try to look for. It will be encouraging for them if they target that kind of an organization applications. So news articles also try to gather attention of the attackers. So when we are looking for or publishing anything, see, we need to also think in terms of how attackers may look into our organizations, also have to be thought of. And then sometimes even attackers try to target audience, like they want to target students, they want to target government organizations, they want to target the government itself, or the defense environment, or educational system, or anything. Like this, they try to pick up a domain, and specific to that domain, they try to target the websites. Then they all perform defacements or a DOS attack or information leakage, something like this. So it's all public related. Similarly, people also try to look for information on the search engines. They try to look for information related to job postings in Pastebins. That is, these are all the public forums where is openly information may be there about any organization. Let's take two examples. One is job postings. You may be thinking, what information does a attacker get from the job posting? Any idea what kind of information does the attacker get from job postings? No? Say, for example, an organization is advertising a requirement of 10 to 15 years experience. Network administrator is required, and joining time is immediate. What does this help? What does this job advertisement give information? Obviously, there are two reasons for such an advertisement. Network may not be vulnerable, but yes, it could be, because the reason for network being vulnerable can be that the key person who is trying to actually maintain the network environment securely may either have quit the job, or he may be quitting shortly. That's the reason immediate requirement is there. And for a requirement of 15 years of network administrator means it is a very high role where there are so many responsibilities, security responsibilities are there with that person. If he is not there or he is going to leave, when if he is not, the definitely network is vulnerable. It is open to different attacks because there is no person to monitor or act against any kind of a attack immediately. So that's the right point for somebody to attack. Even if he is not, he is available also, there is an immediate opening. It means he may be leaving very shortly. In such a scenario, maybe that a new person, whoever comes in, he may take some time to understand the environment, take up the activities. There's again gap over there for a person to come in and take advantage of the environment. So seeing the job postings also, people try to look into and understand what is the best time for me to perform attack, or which position is trying to be not available. It's as simple as it. You may be seeing in general awareness, we say that do not advertise yourself that you're out of home. See, kids usually post it, no? We are out for a holiday to Shimla and so on. If somebody is knowing that who is the parent of that kid and that parent is in a very high position in an organization, definitely he is also away with his family outside. So that's the right point for somebody to perform an attack as well. So job postings and public advertisements usually help people to understand so many things about the environments and plan the attacks. And paste prints. Paste prints are again one more key thing where people try to look for organizational information. Generally, paste prints are used for either by developers to understand or increase their coding skills. Internet organization, they develop something, they are stuck up with some problem. They post in their paste prints and ask help to in public forums. How can I fix this code and all? So in that way, sometimes sensitive codes also get leaked out on paste prints. And sometimes in paste prints, there are emails and passwords available with which also people try to misuse the information. So paste prints are again one key place for people to search for. This is again one more reason for why people ask us to keep changing our passwords regularly, because maybe our password was leaked long back. It may be available in Pastebin. You can always go to public forums in Pastebin and look for whether any such information is there. Just go into Google and type in Pastebins. You get pastebin.com. This is one of the most famous Pastebin website. If you just look for the credit card information or anything on these Pastebins, direct search it. Okay, I'll look for email accounts in Pastebin. So you will you'll land up into, okay, they are trying to not a robot. Oops. See, so many links of page see with information about email and passwords, email accounts, passwords, some sensitive informations. So there are people who hack information and keep it available publicly open for somebody to take advantage. See, Netflix accounts, passwords, account details, and all are available like this. Username, password. Sometimes some database hacked out, their credentials also can be kept like this in public forums. So these are some places where people try to look for. This is somebody's database table content that's been leaked out. So Facebooks are also public forums where people put a lot of information, and that information can be misused by attackers. Similarly, search engines. Search engines also give a lot of help. Google search engine has a different way of searching. This is called as Google Docs. In URL admin login, in title examples. So the moment you type like this, it will try to give me all the pages that are there. Like for example, I go to Google. For example, in google.com, I type in URL colon admin login. So I'm an attacker. I just now learned how to perform an attacks on login pages. So I need websites where all login pages are there so that I can immediately practice. If somewhere I found that a page is vulnerable, his attack is successful. So this kind of Google Docs also try to help individuals to actually search for sensitive information and track out the things. When I type in URL admin login, you see all the web pages wherever admin logins are there, it is automatically been listed out for me. And if an attacker who is very interested in performing attacks on login pages, this is one first environment. He just picks up links from here and tries to perform different attacks. Wherever there is a weakness, he is successful there. So the tip over here is for an administrator or for developers, the title of the pages or the default URL files should always be changed regularly. It should not be, not regularly, it should not help the automated crawlers or Google Docs to actually give information about our websites. So these are all different sources wherein attackers can get information about the organizations. So one more quiz question, a quick question. Attackers spend most of their time in what? In understanding organization, exploring the open ports that are there for a website, or they gather hosted environment details, or it is all of the above. Anybody can quickly put up answers in the chat box. Few more. I got few answers. Few more. Anybody else? Great. Yeah. All of you are right because the answer is all of the above. Any of A, B, C, all of them are correct. So open ports also help information, give information to users. Hosted environment, organization profile also will help me to plan my attack. And so all of this information is part of information gathering and they spend 90% of their time on information gathering. So the answer is yes, it is D. Thank you very much.